Google Analytics is essential for us to understand the traffic going to our website and the people who are engaging with our content. So let's begin by looking at our first top tier report, which is our audience report over in our left-hand menu here. Within the audience report, we can have our overview, which isn't very insightful, but we'll take a quick look anyway. And we have these other areas we can explore as well around our audiences based on our remarketing lists, our lifetime value, cohort analysis, user explorer. What is interesting though are things like demographics. So who exactly are the people on our website? So their ages, their gender, different things like that. And we have actual deep down splits here. Likewise with interests, we can see what interest they are in terms of Google categories for affinity audiences, in-market segments and other sectors. So can give us some insight into what kind of display targeting we might add to our campaigns in order to re-engage the people who are most likely to visit our website, where they are by language and location, their behavior in terms of are they new or coming back, how often they come back, their engagement, session quality, and the likelihood they are to convert with the probability of conversion report. Technology is interesting if we have issues around UX and we want to improve our performance for different devices and OSs, browsers and different things like that. Generally, it's a Mac and PC issue if we're jumping between the two. What is a high important area of this report is the mobile report. So we've got our overview on our devices. So overview just gives us a top level view of the data, so desktop, mobile, tablet. And we can see the transactions and the e-commerce conversion rate for each, the number of visitors, all of that. This allows us to say, well, let's spend more on our desktop search because that's driving loads of conversions, and let's spend a little bit less on mobile or tablet, or what way the data is telling us to direct our media spend in terms of our search activity. If we want to deep dive into devices, we can see, well, what actually are the devices that people are using. So iPhones, iPads, Pixels, Samsungs, different things like that. And then we have our cross-device conversions, we have benchmarking and our user flow, which gives us an idea of how people move to our website, as you can see here. So the audience main tab here is good for getting an idea of who the people are that are visiting your website. And what does that mean, and where can you target them, and where are their hotspots? So just check out the audience tab if you want to know a little bit more about who the people are on your website.